Open your cameras also, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. बेटा हमने जो last time question किया था उसके answers send करो. The last time we have done the question, just send me the answers. I want to know how you people are writing because you are writing in a wrong way. You all are writing in the wrong way. So send the answers to me.
Ma'am, number 4.
WhatsApp group. जो हमने last time question किए थे सब मुझे भेजो.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Everyone just send me the answers on the group quickly. Send your answers to me on the group. The last time the questions we have done, send us answers to me on the group. Because you are not writing in the correct manner. Some of you are not writing in the correct manner. Send your answers to me on WhatsApp quickly. Send your answers to me on the WhatsApp group quickly. Yesterday, जिसका मैंने thumbs up और star दिए थे, they don't send except then everyone will send. आरफ तिवारी कान्हा, ये तो पुराना वर्क है बेटा. ओके बेटा कान्हा कान्हा आपने लास्ट वाला सो स्टेटमेंट नहीं लिखा. लेट मी शेयर द वर्क. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट मी शेयर द वर्क. तब मैं बताती जाऊंगी कि किसका क्या प्रॉब्लम है. कान्हा आपने ये लास्ट स्टेटमेंट नहीं लिखा है. सो कंपनी सोल्ड दिस मच कार्स इन 1 ईयर. आपने ये नहीं लिखा है. वेरी गुड. हु इज दिस? वेरी नाइसली डन. आई डोंट नो हु इज दिस. नेम इज नॉट रिटन. Angel. Very good, Angel. Correct. Kanha also has done nicely. Rest of the students, send me your work quickly because most of you are not writing it properly. You are not writing it properly, everyone. Just do it properly. I will show you how to write it. Word problems ऐसे नहीं करते हैं बेटा. Statements हम ऐसे नहीं करते हैं. You don't have to leave lines in between. Okay. Third B. Yes. Send me your answers quickly, everyone. 3B. Okay. Now I got this. कौन किसने भेजा ये? कार्तिक शर्मा. Okay, Kartik Sharma. There are. Okay, Kartik Sharma. Very good. Kartik Sharma. Now your answers are correct. Very good. Very nice. Beta, who is this? All these all answers are wrong.
Thank you, ma'am.
ये wrong है बिल्कुल. पता नहीं किसने किया. Name is not written over there. These are wrong. I have written that. Who is this? Agarwal Chinu कौन है? Avika. Avika, now your answers are correct. This is the proper way to write. Very good. Samarth Jaiswal
Thank
wrong.
you, ma'am.
Samarth Jaiswal आपके answers wrong है सारे. You do not leave any line in between. बेटा ये कौन है? कविश, आपने ये line कौन लिखेगा? Who is doing this? Kavish, who will write down this line? Wait a minute. Kavish, who will write down this line in the ये वाली line? Kavish, start gold in 2 years कौन लिखेगा? Kavish, ये वाली line कौन लिखेगा? Kavish, who will write down this line? This is wrong, Kavish. Send me your answers quickly, everyone, because most of you are not doing it properly. Everyone do this properly.
Good morning, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. I am late.
Very good, Bashish, if you are late. Okay, now let's start. मैं आपको बता रही हूँ बेटा आप क्या मिस्टेक करते हो, अभी बताती हूँ मैं. Just give me a minute. Okay, who is this? पूनम गुप्ता कौन है? ये शांति चौधरी कौन है? I don't know. Please write your name along with it. Who is Shanti Chaudhary? Please write your name along with this paper. It is not correct properly. Okay, who is this? Jay Shri के name से कौन है? It's correct. I think Priya is there. Correct, Priya. Very nice. Very nice, Siddhant. Wonderfully done, Siddhant. Neat and clean. ये कौन है बेटा? ये थोड़ी कहा था कहीं पे भी कोई लाइन छोड़नी नहीं आयुषी, ये थोड़ी ना बोला मैंने बेटा. ये तो बोला कि क्वेश्चन खत्म हो जाने के बाद देन लीव वन लाइन. After completing one question, you have to leave one line. After completing. चलो let me show you what mistake you people are making और हमें कैसे करने होते हैं. इधर देखना है. Let me please see my screen. Wait a minute. Yes. Now all of you will look at my screen. Now I will tell you how to do word problems or number stories. Look here. Wait a minute. Chalo. See. Suppose the question is, how do we do? First we write question. Do not write the whole question. Do not write the whole question. पूरा question नहीं लिखते. कोई copy नहीं करेगा. Fold your arms and look here on the board. Fold your arms and look here on the board. Look, fold your arms. Quick. And look here on the board. How to do the statement sums. Let me tell you how to do it neatly and cleanly. देखो. Exercise वगैरह you have to mention. I'm telling you from the question 1. आप सिर्फ फर्स्ट वर्ड लिखोगे, फर्स्ट और सेकंड वर्ड, बस दैट्स इट क्वेश्चन का. एंड यू विल आल्सो, आप कैसे करोगे बेटा? एंड सपोज दिस इज द लाइन, दिस आर योर हिंदी लाइन पेजेस. This is your notebook is like this. Here is a margin, exercise number you have to put whatever the exercise is there. Now there are the first two letter, first two fold your arms and look here. Everyone, I can see everybody is writing. So come here, look here. There are, and you will write the last word of it, library. Okay. Now we will start answer 1 from here. Answer 1. ठीक है. आप next line से भी start कर सकते हो. You can start from here also. You can start from here also. Okay. Now you will write number of English books. Do not write equal to number लिखना start नहीं कर देना. Write number of English books. Then write number of Hindi books. Without leaving line. Where? Without leaving line. I have not left any line in between. See here, I did not left any line in between. Then in the third one, number of regional books. Number of regional books. Now what I will do, and total number of books also. Beta, this four lines to be written without leaving line. Nobody will leave any line in between. I'm making a cross so that nobody can leave line in between. Do not leave any line in between. Number of English books, put an equal to sign, put an equal to sign, put an equal to sign, total books also. Don't leave any line here. Don't leave any line in all these four statements. And it is compulsory to write this statement also. Many of you have seen not writing this statement. ये total books in a library if I've written total books in library. Most of you are not writing this statement. I don't know why. और इंग्लिश बुक के सामने इंग्लिश नंबर और या फिर क्या कर रहे हो, यहाँ नहीं लिख रहे हो टोटल बुक्स इन लाइब्रेरी, आप टोटल बुक्स यहाँ लिख रहे हैं और आंसर यहाँ पर आ रहा है. नो, दिस इज द रॉन्ग मेथड. जो जिसका नंबर है वो उसके सामने आना चाहिए. टोटल नंबर ऑफ टोटल बुक्स और टोटल नंबर ऑफ बुक्स. ठीक है. नाउ यू विल राइट द नंबर्स हियर. थोड़ा दूर 5 1 9 6 1 8 1 9 1 4 3 0 and then you will do like this and add. ठीक है. जो आंसर आता है, suppose 8445 is the answer coming. 8445. Now what you will do? Now this is again you will now here you will leave line. यहाँ पर line leave करोगे. उसके बाद question 2 start नहीं कर देना है. Do not leave one line in between. ये वाली एक line आप leave करोगे क्योंकि ये question ये complete हो गया. हमने solving part यहाँ complete कर लिया. These four lines are not to be leave. Any line should be left in between. अब हम यहाँ पर लिखेंगे. यहाँ पर we will write so there are 8445 books in library. समझ आ रहा है? So here you will write the so statement. If you will not write this statement, your marks will be cut. This is very important statement. I can see many of you are not writing this statement in your copies. Okay. After this, you will leave one line and two line. Then you will write question. Understood this pattern? How to write down the number? बेटा जब हम solving करते हैं तो कोई line leave नहीं करते हैं बीच में. We are solving here 6 plus 9 plus 0. We have to solve them. So we will not leave any line. English books के सामने English books, Hindi books के सामने Hindi books, regional books के सामने regional books, and total number of books in front of the total number of books. Understood?
Okay, ma'am.
You have to do the work. Okay? Okay. Now once again I'm showing you कि copy में कैसे करेंगे. Copy work I'm showing you. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. अभी show कर रही हूँ आपको. Let me show you the copy so that you can come to know कि हमें कैसे करना है work. आगे से I want each and everyone's answer. See like this. Everyone can see how it is done. कहाँ पर line leave नहीं करनी है. Each and every statement has to be written. All of you can see this. अब जिसका गलत हुआ है वो सब ठीक करेंगे. जिसने भी statement wrong place पे लिखी है, बेटा word problems में it is very important कि आपने कहाँ आंसर लिखा है. जल्दी से check करो. Check your answers from here. It should be neat and clean also, as well as. Wait a minute. Let me share the link. Make a link of the next one.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I will share the new questions.
Yes, I will now teach you the next question now. Let me see your WhatsApp group. पहले मैं WhatsApp group check कर लूँ आपका किस किसने मुझे आंसर भेजा है. Arhan, very good. Arhan has done the answers correctly, nicely. Kavish अब ठीक है. Very good, Kavish. At least Kavish is improving his mistakes. Very good. Now we will do the next question. And everyone, each and everyone present in the class right now will send me their work. जो नहीं send करेगा देखना. Now open your Himad's books. This I will send on the WhatsApp group. ये work मैं WhatsApp group पर share कर दूंगी. Don't worry about it. This work I will share it on the WhatsApp group. ठीक है, अभी मैं कर देती हूँ, वेट, अभी कर देती हूँ. आई एम वेस्टिंग टाइम, आई एम जस्ट शेयरिंग कि कैसे करना है. वेट अ मिनट. Now I've shared it on the third BD group. Open your cameras now. First of all, let me ask you to open your cameras. There are few who are not opening their cameras. Arav Tiwari, Gaurav, Avika, Prasang, Raghav, Vishisht, Arhan. Raghav, I did not got your answers, beta. I have not received your answer. Where is it? Gaurav, Arhan, Vishisht.
I will send it today.
When today? I want it right now. Why today? That means you are not doing the work right now. Samar, Jaiswal, open your camera. Raghav, Rohit, Tejas, Vashisht, Gaurav, open your cameras. Open your cameras, Vashisht, Raghav, Gaurav, Samarth. Samarth. Samarth Tikiani, open your camera. Quickly. Rohit, Tejas, go open it. Okay. Arav Tiwari, open your camera. Gaurav also. Okay. Beta, now let's start doing the next question. Take out maths book, page number 40, as well as notebooks also. अब ये न्यू पेज से स्टार्ट करना है क्वेश्चन 3, क्योंकि पुराना वाला आप सबने गलत किया था. मोस्टली मोस्ट ऑफ यू मेक मिस्टेक्स इन द प्रीवियस वन. नाउ वी विल डू द क्वेश्चन नंबर, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, पेज 40, मैथ्स बुक, पेज 40. टेक आउट मैथ्स बुक, पेज 40. Page 40, and we will do question number 3 now. Okay. All right. Gargi, read the third question from the book, beta. अभी तक नहीं निकाला था, अभी मैं किसी से भी पूछ लूंगी. What is written on this question? What is written in this question?
Third question.
Yes, beta.
Raj bought an oven from
An oven. Say an oven.
An oven from rupees 2,529 and
Okay.
a television from rupees 4,356. How much money did he spend in all?
Yes, very good. So what is there? Suppose you all are Raj. आप Raj हो. Who is Raj? You all are Raj. आप Raj हो. आप जो हो, you brought an oven for rupees 2,000. Suppose you are bringing one oven. आप जाते हो market and you saw an oven and you brought it for rupees 2,000 rupees. Oven कितने का आया है? हाँ? Oven कितने का है? 2,000. Very good. 2,000 rupees. And you brought a television also. अब आप TV भी ले आए हो. Television means TV. Okay. And you brought one television also. And that television is of 4,000 rupees. You are Raj. Suppose you are Raj or I am Raj. I go to a market. I bought a television and I bought an oven. And an oven is of rupees 2,000 and a television of rupees how much? 4,000. 4,000 rupees ka oven, 2,000 rupees ka oven, and 4,000 rupees ka television I bought. Okay. Then what happened? How much money did he spend in all? Then how spend means what? What do you mean by spend? Spend. Raise your hand. What do you mean by spend? What do you mean by spend? Yes, Shreya and Ayushi.
Spend means खर्चा करना.
Yes, खर्च करना. Spend means खर्च करना. Okay. Samar, where are you roaming? Why are you jumping? Sit straight. Samar Tikiani. And do not put your finger on that. Sit straight. Literally, he was jumping on this chairs. हाथ हटाओ कैमरे से. समर, हाथ हटाओ कैमरे से. Remove your hand. Sit straight at one place. Everyone is looking at you. Everyone. How you are jumping like a monkey? Learn how to sit in class. Okay, so question 3 is Vashisht and Gaurav, open your cameras. Are you also jumping? Okay, look here. So क्या हुआ है? Raj brought two. I am Raj and I bought two things. Now you can tell me how much is the total money I've spent? कितना खर्च किया है? Spend means I told you खर्च करना. कितना खर्च करूंगी मैं? हाँ.
6,000.
6,000. Very good person. I will spend
6,000.
6,000 rupees. 6,000 rupees. Okay. How much money I will spend? I will spend 6,000 rupees. So I bought one oven. So what? बेटा जब भी हम किसी चीज को buy करते हैं, we always write the word cost for it. We always use the word cost. जैसे मैं एक पेन buy करके लाती हूँ. Okay. ये कोई भी object है उसका price दे रखा है. So we do not write price. ठीक है. Bought हो गया. Brought means bringing. Okay. Bought means खरीदना. BOUGHT means sorry. It's not brought. It's bought. Bought क्या होता है? Do you know BOUGHT? Brought is something else and bought is something else. Bought क्या होता है?
मैम खरीदना.
खरीदना. Very good. बेटा buy, BUY buy और bought एक ही चीज होती है.
खरीद.
Beta, listen to me very carefully. Hold your arms and look here on the board. Buy and bought means same. This is the same. This forms of verb होती है buy and bought. It means खरीदना. To buy something means to खरीद किसी चीज को खरीद कर लाना. So if you buy something and अगर ये pen है, this is a pen. और इस pen की जो money है, if I buy this or if I sell this, the money of this pen is rupees 10. So I will say cost of a pen. Cost of a pen is rupees 10. Understood? We use the word what? We use the word cost. क्या use करते हैं उस चीज के लिए? Cost. किसी भी object. Suppose this is a mobile phone. This is a mobile phone and this mobile phone is rupees 10,000. This mobile phone is of rupees 10,000. So what will you say? Cost of a mobile phone. Cost of a mobile phone is equals to 10,000 rupees. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, shall I tell you the next one? Okay, so Raj is bringing these things. So can you tell me, raise your hands, who can tell me the statement? What statement will be made here? Okay, Aryan has raised his hand first. Aryan.
Cost of oven.
Oven नहीं होता बेटा, it's oven. Say oven.
Cost of oven.
Beta,
Then cost.
देखो, yes. It's written O, but we pronounce it as a. Oven.
Okay. Cost of oven.
Very good.
Cost of oven.
Yes.
Then cost of television.
Very
then
nice.
Total cost.
Very good.
So
very
the
nice.
Total cost will be.
Yes, very good. Now everyone take out
Thank
your
you,
maths pen. Maths pen notebook. Take out maths pen notebook on a new page because मुझे पता है बहुत सारों ने मिस्टेक की है और सबको ठीक करना पड़ेगा. Maths pen notebook में take out a new page. Do not study from the same page because you have make a lot of mistakes. Maths pen notebook में new page I'm drawing your Hindi line copy like this. जैसे आपकी notebook होती है वैसे draw करते हैं. So that you can know कि हमें यहाँ पर क्या लिखना है. And everyone will send me the answers, each and everyone. सब मुझे आंसर सेंड करेंगे. ओके, न्यू पेज पे राइट क्वेश्चन 3. राइट क्वेश्चन 3. राइट है क्वेश्चन 3. डू नॉट राइट द होल क्वेश्चन. पूरा क्वेश्चन किसी को नहीं करना है. सिंपली राइट राज बॉट. फर्स्ट वर्ड लिखा है उस क्वेश्चन का. पुट डॉट 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 इन बिटवीन. Put dot 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 in between and then write in all. In all.
Then what will
Then leave one blank. फिर उसके बाद no heading. There is no heading. Write answer 3 here. उसके बाद leave one line. As told by Aryan, we will write cost of an oven. Cost of an oven. Cost of an oven. Then you will write cost of a television. Yes, yes, yes. Yes.
मैम एक्सरसाइज
नो एक्सरसाइज बेटा, वही चल रही है एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चन 3 वाली जो है. क्वेश्चन 2 किया था, क्वेश्चन 3 कर रहे हैं उसी का. नो एक्सरसाइज नंबर 2 बी पुट. कॉस्ट ऑफ एन ओवन, कॉस्ट ऑफ टेलीविजन. सो वी विल राइट टोटल मनी स्पेंट. टोटल मनी स्पेंट. मैंने बताया था ना आपको क्या करना है. अच्छा, डू नॉट लुक इट फ्रॉम द बुक. उसमें से नहीं ढूंढना है, स्टेटमेंट्स में से नहीं ढूंढना है स्टेटमेंट. और एंड राइट हियर रुपीज साइन ऑल्सो. व्हाट इज द कॉस्ट ऑफ अवर? रुपीज, रुपीज एंड रुपीज. अच्छा, कैसे निकालोगे? हाउ विल यू कैलकुलेट कि व्हाट इज द टोटल मनी स्पेंट? हाउ विल यू कैलकुलेट व्हाट इज द टोटल मनी स्पेंट?
प्लस
You will do plus in between what? किस को प्लस करोगे? कॉस्ट ऑफ ओवन को एंड कॉस्ट ऑफ टेलीविजन को, इन दोनों को प्लस करोगे. सो राइट प्लस ऑल्सो हियर. राइट प्लस ऑल्सो हियर. What is the cost of oven? Is 2529. 2529. Write like this. Cost of a television is 4356. Just add them and get your answer. Then what you will do? You will leave one line here, and you will write here. So Raj spent rupees dash dash dash. Write the answer here in all. कितने rupees spent किए उसने? You have to write this. Do like this. Okay, I can see the answers. Some of the answers. गार्गी ठीक लिखा है बेटा, बट यहाँ पर एक लाइन छोड़ा करो. Leave one line here, Gargi. Okay, here at this place.
ओके मैम.
Arav Tiwari, good, very nicely done. Beta, who is writing? Samar, no, Samar, keep on jumping and write down the question also. किसने बोला है पूरा question लिखने के लिए? You have so much page and you have so much time to write down the question in the copy. Don't write the whole question in the copy.
Ma'am, these are earlier statement.
Okay. Samar
And
Jaiswal,
writing this.
बेटा wrong है, मुझे पता है बेटा. This is the earlier one, but वो भी तो wrong हो. सही करो ना उसे. Samar Jaiswal, your answers are wrong just because you are making so many this in between. बेटा कौन है ये? प्रसन्न गंगार. आपको मैथ्स फेयर नोटबुक नहीं लिखना होता है, या आपकी इंफॉर्मेशन के लिए होता है. रब करो मैथ्स फेयर नोटबुक, एक्सरसाइज नंबर लिखो ऊपर. एंड वेयर इज द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन? सम प्रसंग. अच्छा, वो भी है. एक पेज पे एक क्वेश्चन कर रहे हो क्या प्रसंग? हाँ,
Ma'am, we have to
वेयर
send
इज योर
them.
आंसर? अच्छा, ये रहा. Okay, Raghav, now it is done nicely. Raghav, use the operation also.
Ma'am, we have to send the work.
Yes, obviously, yes. Who is this? Rohit. Rohit, correct. Very nicely done, Rohit. Where is your second answer, Rohit? एक पेज पे एक क्वेश्चन नहीं करना है बेटा. ये कौन है? बिल्कुल रॉन्ग है गौरव. कैमरा ऑफ करके खाली बैठे रहते हो ना गौरव, तभी तो रॉन्ग आ रहा है सारा. रॉन्ग. Who is this? गिल्लू भाई कौन है ये? Who is the name with this name? गिल्लू भाई.
Ma'am, we have to write the whole question.
Yes. नहीं, कौन कह रहा है we have to write the whole question? No, whatever I have written you have to write in the same way, exactly in the same way.
Means we have to copy your written work.
Yes, yes. In the same way. Do not write the whole question. That's why I shared.
Ma'am, I have done the third question, so I send it.
Yes, send it. Obviously, you have to send it. Everyone.
Okay,
जब
ma'am.
तक बेटा आप ठीक से लिखना नहीं सीखोगे, मैं आगे नहीं पढ़ाऊंगी आपको. I will not teach you. राज, राग नहीं है, it's राज. कौन है ये? कविक. कविक, कविक कर दूं तुम्हें मैं? कविक. It's राज. आराध्य करेक्ट. कविश डिलीट नहीं करा करो आंसर्स. Very good, Aradhe. Now it is done nicely. Avika, correct. Good.
Thank you,
Very
ma'am.
good, Arav. Very good. Arav
Excuse me,
Bhatnagar, very
ma'am.
nicely done. Answers wrong है.
Excuse me,
बेटा
ma'am.
अभी answers wrong है. Arav Bhatnagar answer wrong है आपका. हाँ.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm saying that we have to write that you have written the first line Raj bought dash in all. We have to write there the answer what come.
यहाँ पर बेटा, यहाँ पर.
No, ma'am. Up.
ये यहाँ पर नहीं बेटा. ये डॉट डॉट का मतलब है यहाँ से यहाँ तक कंटिन्यू हो रहा है. आंसर आपको यहाँ पर लिखना है. ये आ रहा आंसर 6, 8, 8, 5. तो यहाँ पर आंसर लिखना है 6, 8, 8, 5. बस और कुछ नहीं. ये एग्जैक्टली ऐसे ही होना चाहिए. वेरी नाइस. हु हैज डन इट नीटली एंड क्लीनली? आर्यन. वेरी नाइस.
Thank you,
Answer is
ma'am.
also correct. Very good. Who is this? Angel. Very nicely done. Angel, now you are behaving well. Good.
Ma'am, mine is correct.
I know.
Aradhya Rastogi.
Don't speak in between. Aradhya Rastogi, I'll throw you out if you speak in between. Vayun, very nicely done, beta. प्रखर गुप्ता, बेटा आपने बिल्कुल ठीक किया है. आपने प्रखर नहीं, you have not done correct. Leave one line here. जब हम so statement लिखते हैं, this is known as so statement. जब हम so statement लिखते हैं तो यहाँ पर एक line leave होनी चाहिए.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, प्रखर, corrected. उसको नीचे लिखो, नीचे shift करो. Then बेटा प्रसंग आंसर wrong करा है. 6, 8, 8, 5. 5, 2, 7 plus 1, 8. प्रसंग 8, 8, 6, 8, 8, 5 is coming. गार्गी बिल्कुल wrong है. क्या किया गार्गी बच्चे? पिछली बार ठीक किया था. It is wrong गार्गी. Do it again. Anvi, correct. Anvi, your answer is correct. Very good. Who is this? Ayushi. Very good. Okay, who is this? Tejas, correct. ये बेटा दो बार नंबर्स क्यों लिखे हैं कविश? एक बार ये बराबर में लिखा है, एक बार दूर लिखा है. Why? Just write only once. एक ही बार लिखते हैं. ये मिडिल में जो लिखा है रब करो and write peace sign also. कविश करेक्ट. श्रेया करेक्ट. रॉन्ग है ये. वशिष्ठ तुम सुनते नहीं हो ना किसी की बात. बस माइक ऑन करके बोलना होता है ना वशिष्ठ? I am telling you in the same way. Do not leave any lines in between. अब बेटा now look here. अब आप leave one line here. Leave one line and 2 line. And write here question 4. One line leave करो, 2 line leave करो, उसके बाद question 4 लिखना है. सिर्फ मैं बता रही हूँ स्टार्टिंग क्या करनी है. A gardener put dot 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 in between all together. Let me check your answers. गार्गी रॉन्ग है. वशिष्ठ रॉन्ग है. वशिष्ठ का भी रॉन्ग है. फिर से करो वशिष्ठ. Rohit, correct. Very good, Rohit. Nicely done.
Ma'am.
Yes. प्रखर गुप्ता अब
Ma'am,
ठीक है बेटा.
then we have to write the question 4. We have to leave 2 lines.
Yes, I left 2 lines here ना. मैंने ये क्या बनाया बेटा? आपका कॉपी का ही बनाया, पेज में नहीं है. बिल्कुल exactly. Priya, very good. Let me click a picture of it, then I'll send it, share it on the group. बेटा, we will do to question number 4 tomorrow. अभी मैं सिर्फ आपके आंसर्स चेक करूंगी and I will see who is doing wrong. Stream 4 minutes are left. I will teach you the second question, but we will do it tomorrow. Siddhant, very nicely done. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Do it properly, okay? The lines should be done in the lines ऐसे ही होनी चाहिए जैसे मैंने बनाई है. Okay, let me check. Arhan, very nice. Arhan, very good. Very nice. Who is this? Arav Bhatnagar, good. Rest of you also send me the answers quickly.
Ma'am, which I have done yesterday wrong, I am correcting it.
Okay.
Ma'am, which I have done yesterday wrong, I am correcting it.
Very nice.
Ma'am, we have to send you the fourth question that we have.
नहीं. No need to send. अभी हमने करा ही कब है फोर्थ. जब फोर्थ करेंगे तब सेंड करना है फोर्थ. Okay. Siddhant, better read the fourth question from the book. Siddhant, read fourth question from the book. Siddhant is here. Siddhant,
Ma'am,
read question 4 from the book. Fourth question, read the book से.
okay, ma'am. A gardener planted 1,340.
राघव, मेरे पास तुम्हारे आंसर्स नहीं आए अभी तक. I can't see your answers, Raghav.
683 sunflower and 2,500.
न्यू वाला कहाँ है? ये वाला थर्ड वाला प्रीवियस तो सेंड कर दिया है.
How many flowers did he plant?
I have seen the correct answer.
Open your cameras quickly. Okay, a gardener is here. See, if you read the question, a gardener planted 1,000 something roses, some flowers and some sunflowers and some lilies in the garden. How many flowers did he plant in altogether? बेटा ये रुपीस का साइन लगाओ. गार्गी, Raj spent rupees 6885. Gargi use rupees sign here. Kanha, good, correct.
Okay.
Prasang, correct. Arav Tiwari, correct. Good. Now you are improving. Very nice. Arav Tiwari, जो आपने next question लिखा है, a gardener वाला, leave 2 lines here. Leave 2 lines. Now you people are improving. I must appreciate it. धीरे धीरे आप ठीक लिख रहे हो. Okay. So there is one garden. Look here. There is one garden. A gardener is one. The one. Siddhant, switch off your mic. हाँ, gardener कौन होता है? The one who plants this garden में जो काम work करते हैं, they are known as माली. सुना है हिंदी में? माली वाले भैया का नाम सुना है? हाँ. So gardener, he planted some roses. हाँ, he planted some roses. He planted some sunflowers as well as he planted some lilies. Open your cameras, everyone. First, open your cameras. Now the meeting is going to be over. Next time, I don't want to say open your camera. Your camera should be on yourself, and we will do question number 4. You will explain me question number 4. I can ask from anyone. Okay. Bye, everyone. See you tomorrow.
Bye, ma'am.